48% of American adults are deficient in the mineral that controls over 300 processes in your body. It costs less than 30 cents a day, and it may be the single most underrated longevity tool in existence. Magnesium is not a supplement. It is infrastructure. Your body uses it to produce energy at the cellular level. Every molecule of ATP, the fuel your cells run on, requires magnesium to be activated. Without it, your cells cannot generate power. It regulates your nervous system, controlling the flow of calcium and potassium into your cells, which determines whether your neurons fire or rest. It is the biological volume dial for your entire nervous system. It is required for DNA synthesis and repair. Every time a cell divides and copies its DNA, which happens billions of times a day across your body, magnesium is part of the process that checks the copy for errors. It regulates cortisol. It controls insulin sensitivity. It is essential for muscle contraction and relaxation, including the most important muscle you own: your heart. Magnesium deficiency does not announce itself with a single obvious symptom. It accumulates across systems. Poor sleep, because magnesium regulates the GABA receptors that quiet the nervous system at night. Muscle cramps and twitching, because without magnesium, muscles cannot fully relax. Fatigue that doesn't resolve with rest, because the cells cannot produce energy efficiently. Anxiety and irritability, because the nervous system is running without its volume control. High blood pressure, because the arterial walls cannot relax properly between heartbeats. Most of these symptoms are so common that people assume they are normal. They are not normal. They are signals. The reason deficiency is so widespread is simple. Modern food processing strips magnesium from grains. Intensive agriculture has depleted it from soil. And chronic stress, which most adults live with daily, burns through magnesium reserves faster than diet alone can replenish them. Here is why magnesium belongs in a longevity conversation specifically. Researchers at Peking University found that higher magnesium levels in the blood are directly associated with longer telomeres, the protective caps on your chromosomes that shorten with age. Longer telomeres mean a younger biological age. Magnesium appears to slow one of the most fundamental clocks in the human body. Separately, research published in the journal Life Extension found that magnesium mimics the cellular effects of calorie restriction, one of the most robust longevity interventions ever studied in animal models. It does this by suppressing what are called R loops, structures that form during DNA transcription and cause genetic damage when they accumulate. Magnesium keeps these in check. And Bruce Ames, one of the most cited scientists in history, identified magnesium as one of 41 nutrients essential for long-term health, arguing that chronic low-level deficiency accelerates the aging process at the cellular level through the same mechanism: triage. When the body is short on magnesium, it prioritizes survival over longevity, borrowing from future health to maintain present function. Food first. The best dietary sources of magnesium are pumpkin seeds, the highest concentration of any common food. Dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, dark chocolate above 70% cacao, legumes, black beans, lentils, chickpeas, whole grains, avocado, salmon. If your diet regularly includes these, in meaningful quantities, you may not need supplementation. But given the scale of population deficiency and the depletion of soil magnesium over the past 50 years, many people benefit from supplementing regardless. Form matters. Magnesium oxide, the cheapest and most common form in supplements, is the least bioavailable. Your body absorbs very little of it. The forms with the strongest research for general use are magnesium glycinate, highly absorbable, gentle on the stomach, best for sleep and anxiety, and magnesium malate, which supports energy production and is better tolerated by those with digestive sensitivity. Dosage. The NIH recommended daily allowance is 310 to 420 milligrams for adults, depending on age and sex. Most supplemental doses range from 200 to 400 milligrams taken in the evening. Magnesium's effect on GABA and the nervous system makes it particularly useful as a sleep support when taken before bed. One note of caution: high doses can cause loose stools. Start low, 150 to 200 milligrams, and increase gradually. And as always, if you are on medication or have a kidney condition, speak to your doctor first. 48% deficient. 300 processes impaired. 30 cents a day. Next week. The breathing technique that lowers your biological age. I will see you there.